Hi everyone, my name is Wanran Huang, and today I'm honored to present my research on a topic that often goes unnoticed in the glittering world of entertainment: the power behind the stars, the work and life of an artist assistant. The purpose of this study is to shed light on the crucial role of artist assistants in the entertainment industry. These individuals are often hidden in the background, yet their contributions are vital to an artist's success, both on and off the stage. Through qualitative research, including an in-depth interview with Mr. Liu, an experienced artist assistant, I am to review the complexity and importance of this role. Artist assistants are the unsung heroes of the entertainment world. While the public celebrates the success of artists, few recognize the army of people working behind the scenes. Artist assistants having an immense responsibility in ensuring that everything runs smoothly. The role of an artist assistant have evolved. In the early days of entertainment, the assistant's role was more limited, handling simple tasks such as carrying equipment or schedule appointments. However, with the rise of the modern entertainment, their responsibilities have expanded. Today, assistants are responsible for a wide range of tasks, including managing the artist's schedule, handling logistical challenges, providing motion support, and even stepping to manage social media. In an industry where every minute counts and where any mistake could turn into a public relation crisis, the role of an artist assistant has become more crucial than ever. Being an artist assistant is not just about running errands, it's about mastering a set of essential skills. The first is time management. Artists often juggle performances, interviews, rehearsals, and personal time. It is up to the assistant to ensure that everything runs like clockwork. Preventing delays and could affect not just the artist, but the entire production team. The second is the communication. An artist assistant acts as a go-between for the artist and their management team, media outlets, and even fans. Miscommunication can lead to scheduling conflicts or public misunderstanding, so clear and effective communication is key. The second is the coordination. In the entertainment industry, unforeseen criticisms are common. Whether it's a technical malfunction, sudden illness, or transportation issues, assistants need to think on their feet and resolve problems quickly. The next is emotional intelligence. Artists face immense pressure, whether it's from public or their fans, their career. So, as artist assistants, who is often the first line of emotion support, providing encouragement and help them cope with stress. The last is the crisis management. To illustrate the kinds of challenges an artist assistants face, let me share two key examples from Mr. Liu's experience. The first is a live performance incident. Last month, during a live concert in Nanjing, everything seems perfect from the audience perspectives. However, backstage, there was a serious issue. The artist's in-ear monitor support functioning during the performance. Without the monitor, the artists couldn't hear themselves properly, which could have thrown off the entire performance. Mr. Liu quickly assisted in the situation and, without causing any distribution, replaced the false equipment as soon as the stage lights demand between songs. Thanks to his quickly thinking and the crisis management, the audience never noticed the issue, and the artist was able to continue performing smoothly. Another example of Miss Liu's problem-solving skill happened during a recording session in Wuhan. The artist was scheduled to record songs at the studio, but due to a heavy rainstorm, the flight was delayed. Faced the possibility of missing the recording section, Mr. Liu smoothly rearranged the travel plans. Instead of relying on the flight, he booked high-speed train tickets and using the subway ensure artists arrive on time. This example highlight the organization skill and the fast decision making required of the artist assistants. Their behind the scene effort are what makes such performance and recording possible. In addition to managing crises, artist assistants are responsible for a wide range of tasks that ensure the artist's life and career run smoothly. And the schedule and artist's day is packing with artist activities, performances, interviews, rehearsals, and promotion events. The artist ensures the artist is always the right place at the right time. Logistics travel, whether it's booking hotels, arranging transportation, or ensure meals are ready. Assistants handle all logistics. Healthy and well-being. It's not just about keeping the artist on schedule. Assistants also ensure the artist's health is maintained, organizing medical checking-ups, ensuring their risks, and sometimes even handling their diet. Emotion support role. Beyond logistical tasks, artist assistants play an essential role in maintaining the mental and emotional well-being of artists. The entertainment industry is straightforward, with long hours, intense public, and high expectations. Assistants like Mr. Liu are often there to provide the emotional support and artists need to stay grounded. For instance, when an artist is feeling overwhelmed by negative media coverage or the demand of constant touring, the assistant steps in. They might organize the relaxation activities or schedule time with a therapist. Even simple action, like listening to the artist's concern or offering confronting words, make a significant difference. These moments of emotion support are just as important as a logistical task, but ensuring the artist's mental health is carried for the artist to help the artist maintain focus on the performance at their best. As the entertainment industry continues to evolve, so too does the role of the artist assistant. In recent years, we have seen the increasing importance of managing artists' public images online. Today, assistants often find themselves responsible for maintaining an artist's social media presence, ensuring their interactions with fans as possible, and managing any increase that arts arrays online. Additionally, with the rapid pace of technical change, artist assistants must continuously learning new skills. Whether it's mastering new communication tools or managing virtual events, the job is becoming more dynamic. Looking forward, the role of the artist assistant will likely become even more complex, requiring a broader skill set and a deeper knowledge of digital platforms, PR strategies, and mental health support. In conclusion, artist assistants are the unsung heroes behind even ever successful performance and public appearance. Their work goes beyond scheduling and logistics. They are key figures in maintaining the artist's mental and emotional health, managing crises, and ensuring that every detail runs smoothly. Without the dedication and the hard work of people like Mr. Liu, many of the moments that we enjoy as fans, the live performance, the albums, and the media appearances, would not be possible. I hope this presentation has been giving you a better understanding of the importance of the artist assistant role and the incredible contributions they make to the entertainment industry. Thank you for your time.